Well, everyone, finally got the Apple Watch Series 6. And for some annoying reason, I actually had to rebuy these. I bought these from Apple. Those Apple Watches are not getting here until like next week or the week after, so I had to buy these again before. Now I just unboxed the iPad as well, and I guess this is an unboxing day. Now, turning it around, we can see that we have a pull tab, which is kind of funny because the iPad didn't have a pull tab and these ones do. Now taking off the plastic, this plastic actually feels different than the iPad plastic, so I don't know if that's a big deal. I might have to start a conspiracy again, but taking off the plastic, you can see we have the standard box. I don't know, maybe it looks a little weird right here. Maybe that's just me being petty. Now turning it on the other side, you can see we have our standard information, and I guess we go ahead and pull these things off, and then the box will go ahead and open. So now we can flip it back this way and go ahead and open it up. And as you can probably see, then I guess we have to pull this one up, and as you will see, we will have our Apple Watch right there. Now I totally did this upside down. So as you can see, grand opening, we have all of our little like images right there. And now within the box itself, you can see that we do have a couple of different things. So we have the standard thing up top, right, where our watch is. But then at the bottom, we do have our bands. Now, this is not the loop. This is the standard band. And I'll go ahead and unbox this in like 2 seconds. But let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So lifting it up, you will see that, oh, very, very nice. Inside, you do have the little crease things right here, which is something I really do like. Such a nice touch. And I feel like I'm hyping this up too much. Now, you do have the Apple Watch right here. Now, this is the 40mm one, which is the smallest one. And it does come in the leather case as usual. And we can go ahead and slide it off. This is always the scariest part for me, is just sliding it off, because you're not supposed to like break it. You're just supposed to like, okay, there we go. I almost got it. It's a tight fit for sure. See that we have the watch right here, the ceramic blue or whatever it is. Now I'll go ahead and boot this up real quick, and we'll go ahead and get into the rest of the unboxing. As you can see, I'll go ahead and put this to the side right here. And inside of the box, you can see we have our standard paperwork, which is totally cool. You know, you have whatever is in here. And then you do have the Apple Watch charger, but you do not have the power brick anymore. And I want to say this is probably okay for me. I really don't care too much about it, to be honest. I have like 50,000 power bricks. It'll just kind of suck if you don't have like a power brick on you, but you can still charge these up. I don't know if these take USB Type-C or not. Nope, and these are just standard USB, so that's even better. It's weird that their lineup is split between USB-A and USB Type-C. And that's really it inside of the box. So that's definitely a really cool thing. I really do like that. It looks really, really nice. Now flipping it over to the band itself. Now the unboxing process might be a little bit different. I'm still kind of confused why they have it in 2 different boxes. And there we go. Inside of here, we can go and take this part off. And taking these things out, you can see we have a ton of things in here. Wow. I feel like at some point Apple's probably going to remove the bands as well. But inside of here, and then you lift this one up here, and then you can see we have both those bands right here. So that's really cool. Obviously, you can interchange them and all that stuff. I think I did order the solo loop band on my other ones. Maybe that's why it's taking so long. But for the most part, that really pretty much covers up the unboxing. Now, I really want to show you guys the outside of this Apple Watch. And the main thing to kind of keep in mind is that this is pretty much the same exact design as previous models. Now, I have my Apple Watch Series 4 right next to it, and this is the bigger model, but you can see that they're almost exactly the same. On the sides, even on the back, you can see almost exactly the same type of build, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The Apple Watch Series 4 looked really good, and the Series 6 is exactly the same way. And obviously, I'm going to drop full reviews. I'm going to compare this watch to everything too, but from my first impressions, I can tell you, I think it's going to be a really good Apple Watch. I think it's going to have I'm going to have a great experience with it. It's supposed to be fast. It's supposed to be everything. But I'll probably tell you, as I said in my other quick comparisons, if you have an Apple Watch Series 5 or Series 4, I'd probably recommend keeping it. But that's really pretty much it for the unboxing. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.